Want to look for specific messages or conversations on your Messenger chats? I got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to search for any conversations in your Messenger app on Android. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Get into the chat where you want to search a conversation. You'll see their profile at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Now scroll down and select Search in Conversation. Enter the keyword and hit Search. Now Messenger will highlight matching messages. Just tap on the result, and you will find the exact location of that message in that chat box. If you can't find the message, make sure that the conversation hasn't been deleted. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily search conversations on your Messenger app on Android. If this video did the trick for you, then hit the thumbs up button. And I hope I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.